Hello viewers and welcome to this video on how to build a high quality website. There are 5 basic steps to carry out this process. Step 1 is the sitemap strategy call process. This is when you are going over exactly which pages are selected for your website, also how they work together towards the goal that is for the visitors to become customers. For example, if an e-commerce company that just need to buy the products from your website and complete the required transactions, or if a B2B company that may need to book as appointment or fill out a contract form and have someone reach out to them. Step 2 is the wireframing. This is when building a black and white version of the website, that is click through and make sure that we have got the layout and the flow design exactly as customers are required to do so. Step 3 is the design and development process. During this, we are going to run through every page of the website, add photos, colors, videos, icons, animations, etc., whatever is required to make the website eye-catching. At the end of this step, your website should look like a finished product. However, we still need to run through the development checklist towards the end, which are check for a bunch of technical items that need to be completed, such as SEO, accessibility, page speed, mobile responsiveness, cross-browser compatibility, etc. Step 4 is the launching website. This is the shortest step and can happen in one day. We go through about 100 steps before launching, then launch the website and about 10 more steps afterwards to make sure that everything is ready to go. At the end of the website, we will be live to the customers and the web page will be live to the customers as well. Step 5 is the post-launch support. This is the last step for the basic process. Here, we are supposed to do more than bug fixes. We have to be comfortable while managing the website, and at the end of this phase, take a look at your 30 days of analytics and be completely confident about your web pages. That's about it. I hope you enjoyed the video and found what you were looking for. Thank you, take care, and stay safe.